Begin by folding your cleaning towel in half and then in half again. You now have 8 clean sides with which to clean. Go ahead and clean with your first side until it's soiled, and then flip it over and clean with the second side. Then bring your towel up so that your palm is up and the second soiled side is facing you. Put your hand under this first layer and go ahead and flip it over diagonally. From that point, you now have your third and your fourth clean layers. Clean with your third layer until it's soiled, and then with your fourth layer. Again, hold your hand up facing you, palm up. Put your hand under this layer of cloth. Fold it diagonally. And now you have your fifth and your sixth clean side. Clean with these. And then this is the last time you'll bring your hand up for this cloth, palm up. Put your hand under that top layer, flip it over diagonally. Now you have your seventh and your eighth clean side. Clean until that side's soiled. Go to your eighth side and clean until that is soiled. And now you've just efficiently used your cleaning cloth. On average, we've learned that a cleaning team uses 1 to 2 ultra microfiber cleaning cloths per dry room and 2 to 3 per wet room during an average weekly or biweekly maintenance cleaning procedure.